he can do.
He's gonna do a jump.
Woohoo! And are you gonna go in the car with him next and jump? Here he comes. Hopefully nobody's coming. Oliver. This is my man. And this is his bug that he drives. Okay, so tell me about it, dude.
It's a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle that was converted to a Baja Bug sometime in the early 90s.
Oh, yeah?
Maybe a little later.
You weren't born yet.
Yeah. Odd. And it's odd, and it's got a full rugged radiator. It's got full cage.
And your helmet's intercom with your dad because he's your co-pilot navigator.
Yeah.
And look at, you got even like mesh sides and race car seats with race car straps. Ooh, yeah. Start the baby up. Woo! Okay. And are you going to be in the Baja 250 this year?
No, but the Mayhem.
You're going to do the Mayhem?
Yeah.
I love it.
Next year, Mayhem.
Okay, hop on in, Toby. Okay, I'm going to get them going off. Toby's going in his first Baja. Don't run me over.
Okay.
Toby, give me a high five. Shock me out. All right, Toby boy. Adventures of Baja boy Toby's adventure of today. For his YouTube channel.
All right, ready.
Toby will show you where it is. Go. 11-year-old ripping it in his little Baja Bug. No rules down here. Bye, Baja Buggy. Oliver and Toby off for a Baja Boys adventure. Woo! All righty. They're all strapped in. Give me a shock, dude. Woo! Woo! Okay, I'm gonna pause till you guys jump. There they go, coming back around for the jump. All right, everybody. Here comes Adventure Boys of Baja. "11-year-old Oliver's driving. And he's got Baja Boy Toby in the passenger seat. Flying over. Woo! And Oliver's dad, Chris, in the video. Woohoo! All right, tell me, how was that experience?
Cool.
Was it crazy cool?
Crazy, cool.
Well, I mean, you obviously liked it. You went back for another jump.
Yeah.
I can't wait till you can drive our bug and fly it over the jump. You turn it and then push the button. Whoa! All right, Oliver. Oliver put in the new starter. Good job, little dude. Woo!
It sounds awesome.
What?
It sounds awesome.
Totally.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill it now.
Okay. Wow. So now it starts with like no bypassing the solenoid.
Yeah. Thank you, Oliver, for helping. helping build my race buggy. And
Oliver's
I love jumping. And friends, please like and subscribe my channel. Peace out.